Hi, I'm Halif.
And I'm Michael, and this is our girl, Kana.
In the last video, we went to explore the eccentric town of Bombay Beach in Southern California, where we experienced the colorful world of the Biennale Festival. And after that, we are ready to continue on with our van life journey. Hey guys, good morning from Loveland, Colorado, here at the gift site at Riverview. And yes, it has been a big gap since our last video at the Bombay Beach versus what we are doing now here in Colorado, which what this video is all about. We're gonna fill you in with our updates and what happened in the past month and a few upgrades along the way and our future plans for the summer. So stick around. And we're gonna start with what we left off at Southern California.
Yeah, let's just back it up.
First thing first, maintenance issue. Our fridge doesn't work, so we have to replace it. And we decided to replace it with the same exact unit that had to be shipped. Slow, about 2 more feet. Yep, that's good. And we had to pick up the fridge with our van. That thing is huge.
Can you?
Yeah, I'm just trying to maybe wiggle it some. I'm kind of stay.
There we go.
All right, whoa, stop. I got pinned in the TV. Yeah.
All right.
That's it.
Sign for you.
So these are the vans that you can go anywhere.
Oh
right?
yeah, we've been in this for 3 years now.
Oh, nice.
All right, thank you for coming. I appreciate coming out here. No worries.
So, we now have a working fridge again. We are here in Santee, California for our next project.
We're getting a RIP package put on this thing, which is a ride improvement package, which is going to keep the wobbling from happening when we drive over bumps. It's also going to lift the van by about 2 inches, so that doesn't seem like a lot, but it is a lot for us because we go up on beaches and things and we got a lot of low-hanging things, so that's going to really be an improvement for us. Kana's not going to be thrown around in the back as much as she usually is. I'm just getting out and going in, taking my gum. No water bottle. Got my computer, so we got to get everything out of here that we need with us today because this is probably going to take a day and a half. Of course, I have my keys in my other pocket.
We're currently homeless, kinda. And right now, we are waiting at the Agile off-road.
But I would like to rebalance the front tires for you. We can do an alignment, it's not going to fix that shimmy.
Right.
But you should be able
They're
to
working
drive
on
it, so
our
you
van
about-
right now, so home improvement, I suppose. Obviously, we are not the only one that get this upgrade done here at the Agile Off-Road, but I'm surprised actually so many people here to get the same project as we do. But Agile is a very well-known company to do a van upgrade, so I'm not quite surprised, I suppose. Check out this bad boy. Buying next accessories.
Well, I wouldn't mind having a set of Max Tracks, but it's pretty expensive.
How much is it?
Several $100, I think.
Oh, okay. That night, we have to stay in the hotel while waiting for our van to be ready.
Thank you for going to Starbucks and getting me coffee this morning. I really need that to waking up. But we have something for Kana. Do you ever hear of a puppuccino? You want it? Okay. Oh yeah. You get your puppuccino.
Good girl. Girl lost her puppuccino. God, what a mess.
Sorry, Best Western, for the puppuccino on the sheets.
Day 2. But today is the day that we're gonna get our van back, although they are currently still working on it. And I'm so excited. This is gonna be a game changer for our van life experience.
So I just wanted to show you why we needed to replace it. I know the tire doesn't look like it's in that bad
No,
shape
it doesn't.
on the
Yeah,
outside,
and I didn't know that was.
You know, every single time you come to a garage shop, there's always something that you did not know happening in your rig. This is one of them.
It's a mushroom on the bottom. It's all pancaked out, and as it's rolling, it's flexing those sides so much that it just comes apart.
The discovery.
We were like the Coopers. We sell a ton of them. We just put a
Oops.
actually, your rubber layers are becoming individual layers again.
Yeah, that's one of the backside dually inside on the passenger side, and we have no idea it's been doing that. That is not good.
If I hadn't seen that, I probably would have just pumped it up and thought, no problem. Probably wouldn't have been a serious accident, probably just been a blowout, but it could have been. Oh well, it's a few extra $100, but we're not going to be having a blowout.
Okay, thank you.
You can tell it's up a bit higher.
Yeah.
And they got the tires fixed, which was really bad. We knew one of them was bad. We didn't know the other one was down at all, but here we are. New tire, new valve stems, stuff we didn't plan on, but good. That's all she wanted the whole time. She wanted to just be behind the counter.
Okay.
You can hang up here.
We love visitors. Well, and then we did the 2-tire. Okay.
Yeah, so there's
1 tire.
spacer,
The 2 valve stems.
zinc plate and alloy steel.
21.50.
Expensive. Thank you all. All right, take care. All right, take care.
Now we're gonna go off-roading. Probably not.
Kinda, we're home.
I can actually feel the difference in the height, even though it's only an inch or two, like a couple inches.
It's a good deal.
Continue on North Woodside Avenue.
We'll see.
1 mile.
Which way am I going? It's probably the smallest post office I've ever seen.
It's a small population here, I suppose, with an expensive gas.
Welcome to Nevada.
And off we go for a long road trip through the beautiful western states.
Welcome to Arizona.
It was an enjoyable ride across the landscapes. Definitely not in California anymore.
Welcome to Utah. Welcome to Colorado.
And finally, we arrived here in northern Colorado. And that brought us here to the newest campsite in Riverview in Loveland, Colorado. It is so close to a lot of awesome places around here, including the Rocky Mountain National Park. And we have such a great time exploring this region. And now it is time for our next van upgrade project. What are you doing? Kana. It's a good girl. Well, we are currently working on our next project, or I would rather say Michael is working on our next upgrade project, which is adding 2 more Battleborn lithium batteries into our collection. So we're gonna have a total of 7 lithium batteries of 700 amp per hour. It's a lot of power to our van. We have to disassemble our bed, and our van is such a mess right now because everything has to come off the bed. Well, thankfully Michael knows how to do all of this stuff.
Yeah, I just wish I had less college student tools. Want to see some dog hair?
Oh my god, I can only imagine.
Oh, you're gonna see it in a second. Yeah.
It's like, what, a year or 2?
2 years old.
Damn. Like deep cleaning.
This is like the worst part of having a dog. We've already got 500 amp hours worth of batteries in the vehicle. Because we've got that new alternator charger, we can put a lot more batteries in it because it'll charge faster. So what I decided to do is look online for some Battleborn batteries that were the same life as ours and roughly the same charge cycles. And I'm just gonna drop them in.
So we're adding 2 more.
We're just we're adding power.
Let me know if you need help.
Yeah. I will.
So currently we have 3 on this side and we have 2 on this side.
I'm gonna put both of the new ones right here,
Okay,
just because it's so much easier.
so we'll have 5 on this side.
Yep. There should be one like this, like a little small one.
Where's the dual kit?
It might not be there. I'll just check. All right, let me come back there and try that again.
So do not touch those 2 together.
It could damage it, it probably won't, but you don't want it to do that.
Damage our bodies.
This is how hard this is to crimp. This is a non-hydraulic crimper. And it's not big enough for this, but it's the only one I could find. I got it figured out how to do it, how to get it started. Done. I had to do that 7 times today and up against a wall on a hardwood floor, so you imagine.
Looks promising.
Yeah, except the washers I got it too small. This is the moment of truth where I turn on the inverter. I wasn't expecting it to be immediate beep. Now I just got to go into the battery settings and change it from 500 to 700. So the only way that it'll know how much battery that was actually in there, because we put 2 different batteries in it, is to turn it on and charge it up to 100%. If we just left it like it is now, I think what would happen is the same thing that would happen in a propane tank. They would just balance each other out, like eventually, but it still doesn't know what the charge is. So I would give you the honors of starting the vehicle. 13, 12, 11, oh, it's going up. If you give it a little push on the gas, it'll go up over 100 probably. Now we're talking. All right, it's gonna hang about right there for a while probably. But that is better than the 20 to 40 that we were getting before. So, all good. Cheers.
Cheers.
More power. Now I gotta clean up. Hey, you can help me with that.
Yes. As you can imagine, our van now is a very reliable van and we love it so far. It feels like we are ready to get a little bit farther out into the middle of nowhere to explore more of this beautiful landscape. So what's next in our life? First, our next destination after Colorado is up north into South Dakota. Yeah, up north into South Dakota, which, spoiler alert, we are changing our residency into the state, and the whole detail gonna come up in the next video. And after that, we are making our way back to the eastern seaboard into eastern Canada. So we're gonna cross into New Brunswick, back in Nova Scotia, and Prince Edward Island, which is exciting. And after that, that's why you have to follow along with our journey. So hopefully this video gives you a little updates with what's happening with our lives in the near future and then into the summer. And I hope you are as excited as we are. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to follow along with our journey all across the United States and into Canada and beyond, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell for more notification of our channel. And thanks for watching, guys.